Hello lettering lovers, it's Stephanie from my prints collection.
Welcome to a new Tuesday tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a shadow on your lettering.
And we are going to use the standard Procreate brushes as well as my Gonzalo brush that you can download for free. The link is down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications. A new tutorial will be posted every Tuesday.
To start, let's open a new canvas over here. I already have one selected. And to do this shadow effect, we are going to write the word shadow. I'm gonna select my monoline brush. Calligraphy monoline brush. Okay, the settings and the color blue. So on a new layer, I'm gonna draw my letter shadow. Here we go, we have the word. Now I'm gonna duplicate this layer, swipe, duplicate, and I'm gonna select the first one, click select, turn into black, double click here, and I'm gonna use a big brush for this. I'm gonna paint over my word. On select, since this black layer it will be the shadow of my blue one, I'm gonna click, hold, drop, so my black lettering is under the blue one. I'm gonna click select and I'm gonna slightly move it over here. So right now you can see that you have already a shadow effect. If you want to leave it this way, it's fine, but what I do like is to click on select and then go to the adjustments and click Gaussian blur and then slightly move to around 12%, and you can see when I drag it gets fuzzy, but I do like to have around 12%. And there you go. Here's your word with a shadow.
If you like this tutorial or if you want to see other ones like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel. See you soon and happy drills!